Good morning, students. Today we are going to find the solution reason of the inequality x is greater than minus 3. Question number 10 gini ko. X is greater than minus 3 habadi nangi variable se ama khaktang di yawe ko adu su magi solution reason se koina plain oina puthokadaba. To find the solution reason of x is greater than minus 3, we have to draw the graph of x is equal to minus 3 at first. X is equal to minus 3 have equation check. Kamaini ibaya x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 3. Y ki multiple se 0 nene ibaya ko. Multiple of 0 the 0 tare. Then find some other pair satisfying this equation. X plus 0 y is equal to minus 3. Si y se nang na longning value laura 1 2 laura ko adon y se dum sin bakanda multiple of 0 the 0 fang x ki value se minus 3 over x is equal to minus 3 have se constant ni ko x in any value so bakanda y in any value so bakanda nangi x se minus 3 dum tarani. Then we plot these coordinates in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane the plot of siko when x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to plus 1. Sidam ko when x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to plus 2. So minus point ani se join tower. By joining these 2 points, we get a straight line AB. Since the given inequality is strict inequality, strict oibanina, this line AB should be dotted line. Dotted line tare ko. Dotted line on a represent the graph of x is equal to minus 3 is the dotted line AB, which divides the Cartesian plane into two half planes, plane 1 and the plane 2, namely plane 1, plane 2. Then to determine the correct half plane, we select any arbitrary point, say origin khalleko, and coordinates of origin di kai orani 0 0 orani. By substituting the coordinates of origin in the inequality x is greater than minus 3, then we get 0 is greater than minus 3. 0 na minus 3 dagi chaw we have a statement che achumbara aranbara check taw tare ko. 0 na minus 3 dagi chaw is chummi ko, which is true, and hence the solution reason is the half plane 1, excluding the points on the line AB, which is said that nangna first that nangna tawdu se kaino x is equal to minus 3 have segi graph AB fange ko nangi line AB sina Cartesian plane se plane ani thongna khaido plane 1 haiba maga plane 2 haiba maga ani sidagi achumba khandui ne ba achumba khana baida magta arbitrary point khallo. Arbitrary point se 0 na khaidagi lai ko origin che khalle magi coordinates sing se ina inequalities the hapa matam da sta fangi ba statement se achumba statement oibra aranbo oibra check tawrani chumme ko sum taragadi the plane containing origin yawa plane di plane 1 sitare, which is the correct half plane of the inequality x is greater than minus 3. So main taraga khoina solution reason puthokpe ai ko. Next topic is solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. Solution of system with the more than two inequalities exist already. First, define system of linear inequalities. If two or more linear inequalities coexist, then they are said to form a system of linear inequalities. Nangi linear inequalities ani natraga ani dagi henba se amukta da nangonda piram taragadi adugumba linear inequalities to kai kaure heba system of linear inequalities kawe ko. Then the solution reason of a system of linear inequalities is the intersection of solution of its inequalities in the system. Example of nanangi inequalities is the system of inequalities ani pire khale ko ani pire kana pire na khale koina example the khali se x plus y less than or equal to 6 haiba maga x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 5 haiba maga ani mag se satisfy tawba koina x and y ki values puthok toini ko. First inequality is x plus y less than or equal to 6. Second inequality is x minus 2y greater than or equal to 5 ni. Ani sigi equation nangi inequality ani se satisfy to solution reason putho o hairdi kamai putho kani ahan bada sigi solution reason putho ani. Find the solution reason of first inequality, then find the solution reason of second inequality and take the intersection of solution reason of first inequality and second inequality. Solution reason to the intersection haidi set tayare ko intersection di common element na form tawbase. Exercise 6.3 sina kai hai Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. Graphically solve taugadaba. Find the solution reason of system of inequalities. Question number 1. We have two inequalities. X is greater than or equal to 3 and y is greater than or equal to 2. See inequality ani pireko. Inequality ani sigi graph hani x. First we draw the graph of the equations. First equation is x is equal to plus 3 and y is equal to plus 2. X is equal to 3 habaga y is equal to 2 habasigi equation ani sigi hana graph ekanibako. The x is equal to 3 means for any values of y, x is always 3 having a 3 3 0 1 nangi y se nang na launing ba value ani law 0 ga 1 ga law ko y is equal to 2 is constant. It means that for any values of x, value of y is always 2 ni. X se nang na launing ba value law the y se dum 2 tarani ko smain taraga koina equation 1 equation 2 ani se satisfy to other pairs kara khalle. Then we have to plot these coordinates in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane da mu plot ko. Ahanbagi sana plot when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, y is equal to plus 1. It's the point ani fange ko. Si point ani se join tore. By joining these 2 points, we get a straight line AB. AB have a straight line am fange. Sigi AB straight line se solid oigadra dotted line oigadra have se kaina pigani. Sign of the inequalities in a slack inequality or taragadi, this line should be solid line. See inequalities is slack or equal to have a CR banina. The graph of the equation x is equal to 3 is the solid line AB, which divides the Cartesian plane into two half planes. The plane on the right side and the plane on the left side of the line AB. Line AB sigi left side the labor, right side the labor in a kaidu evako. Plane 1 2 aina maming thondre. Dudi koina karamba choose tawgani. To choose the correct half plane, we select any arbitrary point. Say origin se nang na low re na khalle ko. Origin low bukanda stamagi coordinate hapsiko 0 less than or equal to 3. First inequality the half 0 less than or equal to 3 has chumbra lanbra. Lale ko lale 0 na 3 dagi chawi se lale dudi 0 yaudaba side ti karamba side te chatkre nangi right side te label se na tai ko. The solution reason of the inequality x is greater than or equal to 3 is the reason on the right side. See right side si oigada si ana set ko. Then draw the graph of the second equation. Y is equal to 2 gi. Y is equal to 2 gi. Graph se mu x ko. Nang solution reason low ba have se animak se same graph the plot tawgadaba. X is 0 already y se 2 tare ko. X se 1 over kanda y se kya tare 2. So maina nang point kya fange? Point ani fange. By joining these 2 points, we get a straight line CD. This straight line CD should be solid line since the given inequality is slack inequality niko. CD habam phange. This line CD divides the Cartesian plane into two half planes, the plane above the line CD and the plane below the line CD. Mathak the labor makha the labor in ani thong na khaido eva. Mathak makha sida karamba na nangi achumba koini have the muksus tawsiko. To find the correct half plane, we select an arbitrary point say origin low siko. Si koina exam the ibada the yawa roi tabanga tani nang na site the tawgadabani ko. Origin se koina value hape y is less than or equal to greater than or equal to 2 sida y ki value 0 hapa matamda 0 na 2 dagi chawbe heli si chumbra lanbra lale ko lantaragadi the plane containing not origin yaudaba side the plane above the line CD ore si mathak se nangi correct half plane ore ko achumba half plane do asi oigre didi si mathak se muk set tawrane set tawba se kamaina set tawni draw parallel lines which is perpendicular to the line CD is the perpendicular oraga nang line yek tare si line si yek pakana som da su graph am legre som da su graph am legi graph ani sigi multiple se the reason am phangi ko multiple se the reason so open reason oina phangi close oina phangde maming oina harakanda C P B se si nangi multiple se the reason ni. This multiple se the reason represents the solution reason of the system of inequality. So my taraganang na tharani. Han by graph say the graph of x is equal to 3 is the solid line AB. The solution reason of x greater than or equal to 3 is the reason on the right side of the line AB, including all the points on the line. Si line siloin yaar nika. The graph of y is equal to 2 is the solid line CD. The solution region of y greater than or equal to 2 is the region above the line CD, including all the points on the line. And hence the solution region of the given system of inequalities is the multiple set that close or closed thani open tarekwa open region as shown in the figure. Sigi open region che hoigada. Open region che maming haragadi P, B, P, C na sumai ibe ay ko. Nangi open region che B, P, C sumai na irakpe. Next question. Question number 2. Find the solution region of the inequalities 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x is greater than or equal to 1, and y is greater than or equal to 2. Inequalities kya pire? Inequality ahum pire ka. Ahum se nang na same graph the plot hogataba. First we draw the graph of the equation 3x plus 2y 12, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Sige ahum sige graph ekani 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Find some other pair satisfying this equation. First put y is equal to 0. See 0 oigi tarde 12 to 3 na divide already 4 fange ko. Then put x is equal to 0. So 0 ne na kalo. Do the 12 to 2 na divide already 6 fange ko. Sinangi kanagi coordinate no. Equation 1 satisfied the river coordinate. Second equation x is equal to 1. Constant for any values of y the x is 1 tarani. Y is equal to 2. For any values of x the y is 2 fange ko. Ahan bada equation 1 se hana plot house. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. When x is equal to 4, y is 0 tare ko. X na 0 ibaganda y 6. See the point ani fange. By joining these 2 points, we get a straight line AB. Solid oigadaba kaigino haradi inequality se slack inequality oibagi ko. This line AB divides the Cartesian plane into two half planes. The plane above the line AB and the plane below the line AB. Above and below haina khaido eko. Stagi muk nang na karamba achumba khange hai taragadi correct half plane khange hai taradi sida origin gi coordinate lawar sika. At origin sida nangi 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12 5 origin sida 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12 से x की value 0 हापे y की value 0 हापे 0 ना 12 तगी हंथई है चे चुम्ब्रा लानब्रा चुम्मे को 0 ना 12 तगी हंथई है चे चुम्मे दो तारगति correct half plane of the inequality. One is the region below the line AB की below से सी side से तारे को तो नंग ने एक तो से draw parallel lines which is perpendicular to the line AB. AB is the perpendicular over line and see aba matungda next kanagi graph ekani draw the graph of x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 se mu plot ausiko. When x is equal to 1, x na 1 oibakanda nang y se kya fange 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Point ani fange ko. By joining these two coordinates, we get a straight line CD, which is parallel to y-axis. And this is the graph of x is equal to 1 gi graph ni ko. Sumaina fange. Then, chigi x is equal to 1 sina nangi Cartesian plane se ani thong na khaido e. The plane on the right side and the plane on the left side of the line CD hai. Left to right to na khaido e ko. The left ko right ka se karamba na chumme have se khange hai taragadi ngasagi origin du mahapsi ko x is greater than or equal to 1 da nangi origin gi coordinate hapase 0 na 1 dai chawe se chumbra lanbra lale ko 1 na 0 dai chawe hele dudi nangi correct half plane se left oi gadra right side oi tare x is equal to 1 x ki right side tadi x se 1 dai chawe ngatani and so the correct half plane of the inequality x is greater than or equal to 1 is the region on the right side of the line CD, including all the points on the line CD. Line CD masamak se nangi solution reason to the yaudini ko sumai taraga koina first ki graph a second ki graph a ko. Now we have to draw the graph of y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 se amka graph x se y is equal to 2 di x na 0 oiba kanda y se 2 tare. X na plus 1 oiba kanda y ki value se 2 tare. Is the point ani phange ko. By joining these 2 points we get a solid line EF. Solid line or se kai gino inequality se slack inequalities oibagi ko. And the line, this line EF divides the Cartesian plane into two half planes. The plane above the line EF and the plane below the line EF. Mathak the labor makha the labor in ani thona khaidoe. Then to choose or to determine the correct half plane, we have to select an arbitrary point. So we select origin. Origin just select our record. Origin is the half siko. Y greater than or equal to the origin ki coordinates 0 less than or equal to 2 tare ko. Sisu kaidawi 0 na 2 dai saube hele se chumbra lanbra lale ko. Lalagadi the plane containing origin is not the correct half plane. Si achumba oira roiba to the karamba tarani mathak thangba side che tare ko. The plane above the line EF. Chetausi draw parallel lines which is perpendicular to the line EF. EF sida perpendicular oiba parallel oiba line khara yo. Koina sumai ye ko. C में आम से लो इंगी अब मतुंग दा नंगी multiple से the reason से काय दा फंगी multiple से the reason से triangle अमो इनस दा फंगी को triangle से की ममिंग से सिना P था रगे सिना Q सिना R है रगे को. The solution reason of the system of inequalities is the multiple shaded closed region PQR. PQR sina oirani ba. Sina point P ni ko, sina point Q, sina point R. Sumaina maming thare. Sigi sini ko, sigi triangle masa se oina fange. Si triangle masa se kai oire nangi multiple shaded region do. Koina wording oina tharagadi the graph of 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 is the solid line AB. The solution reason of inequality is the reason. Graph yenga nang thagadam ni ko is the reason above or below. Sagido below gi ko. The solution reason of the inequality sigise above tabra below tai ko below the line AB including the points on the lines in the first ki graph. Second gi mo yang siko. Second gi the graph of x is equal to 1 is the solid line CD. The solution reason of x greater than or equal to 1. X in a 1 day chow by the right side ta ni ko is the reason on the right side of the line including all the points on the line. Next graph, the graph of y is equal to 2 is the solid line EF. EF have a solid line ampange. The solution reason of y is greater than or equal to 2 is the reason above the line EF, including all the points on the line. So when tau thare ko anang solution reason si loin khange. Then the multiple shaded reason represents the solution reason of the system of inequalities. Multiple shaded reason ding asai triangle loin phangre ko. Hence, the solution reason of the given system of inequalities is the multiple shaded closed region PQR, as shown in the figure. Figure the yaugravani ko. Next question, mathangi question da koina tawdu se kaino. Find the solution reason of 2x minus y greater than 1 and x minus 2y less than minus 1. Sigi inequality sigi solution reason ang putok se ko. We first draw the graph of the equation, Kanakanagi equation, 2x minus y is equal to 1 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Shumain taraga graph ani se yek tare. Equation era, first write the given two equations, x minus 2y 1 and the x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. X in a 0 thamadi y se minus 1 taikwa. The x in a y se plus 1 thamadi transpose or the 2. 2 the 2 na divide the 1. Then for second equation, if we put y is equal to 0 or 0, value of x is equal to minus 1. Then put x is equal to plus 1, transpose the minus 2, dividing both sides by minus 2, value of y is equal to plus 1 tareko. And these are the coordinates satisfying equation 1 and equation 2. Now we are going to draw the we are going to plot these coordinates in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane da koina plot tausiko. Ahan bagi sana plot tawra. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to -1 sidam laire ko. Then when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 sidam mo phange. Sigi point ani che join tawre. By joining these 2 points, we get a dotted line AB. Dotted oiriba maramdi nangi inequality se strict inequality oibagi ko. This straight line AB divides the Cartesian plane into two half planes, the plane above the line AB and the plane below the line AB. To determine the correct half plane, we select an arbitrary point, say origin. Origin haibase khalle ko. Origin se koina swaida check tausi ko. Nangi inequality se 2x minus y. 2x minus y greater than 1 ni ko. Sida nang 0 hapo 0 na 1 dagi chawe si chumbra lanbra. 0 na 1 dagi chawe si lale ko. Lan taragadi the plane containing not origin. Origin yaudavadi makha thangba side che tadra. The plane below the line AB is the correct half plane and which is said that chimere ko aduga dotted line oibanina point AB da yauriba point sing side amta yauraroi ko. Second gi graph se kai lakani x minus 2y is equal to -1. Si mo yang si ko. X ina -1 oiba kan y se 0 tare. X ina 1 oiba kan da 1 tare ko. Magi point of intersection of the two lines se point P sini. Si point ani se join tawre. By joining these 2 points, we get a dotted line CD. CD have a dotted line ang phange ko. Dotted line CD sina plane se ani thona khaidoi. Above the plane haiba maga below the plane haiba ani sigi manungda nang se achumbam khandoi ne ba. Achumbam khange hai tardi coordinate origin se khalle ko. Select any arbitrary point say origin. Origin se khallaba matungda nangi inequalities da half se ba. X minus 2y is less than -1 hai. X की value 0, y की value 0 seladi we get 0 is less than -1. 0 na -1 dagi less oi hai si chumbra lanbra la le ko. La lagadi sisu false ni statement je ko. Sisu statement se false ni. The plane containing not origin, that is the plane above the line CD is the correct half plane. Nangi line CD sigi mathak te lerise. Nang sigi correct half plane si set tausile. Set tawba matam da draw parallel lines which is perpendicular to the line CD. CD the perpendicular in the set tawre. Aina ani se set tawraba matung des the multiple set the reason oina phangdra. Open oibra close oiko. Magi point of intersection se P tare. And so hence the solution reason of the system of inequalities is the multiple setted open reason A, B, C. Open oina tae ba dus maming piragadi A, B, C sumain taraga koina solution reason puthokpe solution reason of system of inequalities. Aduga wording thaba se ahan bagi graph sina the graph of 2x minus y 1 tare ko. Dotted line se AB ni. Solution reason se above oibra, below the line AB, excluding the points on the line. Next graph, the graph of x minus 2y equals to -1 is the dotted line CD. The solution reason of x minus 2y less than -1 is the reason above the line CD, excluding the points on the line. Moise point to the line to the layriba. Pointing se amta yaude ko. The solution reason hai taragadi segi multiple set the reason se tar. Multiple set the reason se open oibra close oibra open ore ko APC. Which is the solution reason of the system of inequalities. For today, let's end here.